Hey guys, we're in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club and I have a new listing I want to share with you. So this is the Diangelo floor plan. It's the Veranda model. We start with our single car detached garage. Let's keep going. So right here is how we exit that garage unit. You follow the walkway right into our screened-in lanai. Okay, now this unit is coming fully furnished, ready to go. You can move right in or rent it right out. Let's take a look at what we have here. We come in and off to the left, we have our guest suite. So bedroom here has queen size bed, dresser, chest of drawers, ready to go. Guest bath right here, stocked with towels and so on and so forth for your guests or for yourself to move right in. Off the hall, we've got full-size washer and dryer with some storage up above. To the right, owner's suite. We've got a king-size bed, chest of drawers, dressers, view of that front lanai. Good size room. We've got two walk-in closets. We've got a linen closet here, and we've got a fantastic ensuite with the double sinks, lavatory, obviously. And I have to point out, we've got a really nice upgrade of these glass shower doors. So everybody appreciates that. We have tile floors throughout, which is great for cleaning. It's great for Florida with the sand that we have here. And if you are going to be using it as a rental, they're very durable, obviously. We have a den. So this is a nice overflow if you need some extra guest sleeping. We do have the pull-out sofa here, queen size, and it is furnished with the desk as well. Oh, and you've got the double doors there. Okay, and then our back here opens up real nice, large kitchen, good size eating area, very comfortable living room space. So we've got plenty of countertop and the under counter seating for prepping, cutting, serving, so on and so forth. You know I love a corner pantry. Again, fully stocked, being sold turnkey. So all of these small appliances, larger appliances, dishware, sheets, towels, everything is included. And then obviously your furniture as well. We have extra storage here in this closet with all the shelving, which is fantastic. They did bench seating on this side, so there's nothing obstructing your view from this dining room window. So very thoughtful choice there. This living room is real comfortable with the leather sofas, the marble end tables, this really comfy recliner, and then the wood accents and large screen TV. And then out back, we have our second screened-in lanai. Again, real comfortable seating out here, and you can enjoy the serenity of the pond view. All right, so again, we are in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This unit does have that coveted deeded golf. So it's going to rent for more money, about $6,500 a month during season, which is typically January to April. You can rent it out 12 times a year, 30-day minimums, or you can move right in and enjoy it yourself. You can even do a little bit of both. Say you're looking to enjoy it and get away for the winters from, the up north and have just fun in the sun down here. And rent it out when you're not using it. You can certainly do that as well. So if you need more information on this particular unit or other properties here in Southwest Florida, go to my website. It's buyahousewithbarbie.com. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media. I would love to talk to you about your wish list.